Hello viewers, if you are a teacher who teaches students online, you will need a good tablet with stylus support. Many teachers ask me about the best tablet or iPad for online classes. In this video, I will tell you about Samsung tablets and also about iPads. I will show how you can use these two tablets or devices for online teaching and note making. If you want to use the screen recording on your Samsung tablet, you can have the option of touch and mics, and if you click on the play button, it will show you the recordings and also you will have many more options. Suppose I want to write something on the screen, and this is also possible here. I have some notes of English literature and I will dictate these words or lines, and also I will mark or underline these lines. So I have to click on this button and then I can underline anything with the use of S Pen. This is very convenient. This feature is available only in Samsung tablets. This feature is not available in iPad default recording app. You can also change the color or the thickness of this pen. Here you can see in this way also you can mark anything. Now I will show you iPad whether this feature is available or not. I will open the same note and then I will open screen recording and then activate screen recording. I will also use third-party ipencil, but sadly by default writing experience or writing option is not there in iPad, so you have to use either third-party app or you can only dictate anything, but you cannot mark anything on this screen recording. For online classes you need Zoom, or you can also download Google Meet. I will show you how Google Meet actually work on Samsung and iPad. After giving the link to students, they will join through your link, and after that you can share the screen. You can do all these things using your S Pen. In this way it will automatically share the screen with the students. I have just connected my smartphone for the sake of giving you an idea. If you use Google Meet, in that case you cannot mark or write anything on Google Docs. If you try to do that, the call will automatically disconnect. There is a solution to this. You can use the default note app to write anything on the screen. This will work both on Samsung tablets as well as on iPads. When you will write something, it will reflect in your student's screen in real time. In this way, you can have a very good teaching learning session, and also your students will enjoy your video. So hope you have a clearer idea about how iPad and Samsung tablets work for teachers who want to teach their students online. Many people watch my videos but they don't like the video and they don't share the video. So it is a humble request to all of you to share the video, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to get more content like this. Hope you have liked this video. Want to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.